Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabila Putri Nasution, a student of the Psychology Study Program, Faculty of Psychology, Universitas Medan Area. This video is created to fulfill the requirements of the coaching and counseling course. In this video, I will demonstrate a counseling sessions using the counseling facilitations approach. The counseling session focuses on a young individual who is struggling with emotional distress because they are not allowed by their parents to pursue their dream of studying and building a career outside their hometown. This simulation will be performed by myself and the counselor, and Krishna Aji Juanda as the counseling. Without further ado, let's begin the counseling session. Hi Aji, thank you for coming today. How are you? Aji? How about your feeling today?
Okay, honestly, a little nervous. Just talking about this makes my chest tighten up.
That's completely understandable. A lot of people feel that way too. Can you tell me a bit more about what's going on?
Actually, I have a presentation coming up at work in 2 weeks, and every time I think about standing in front of people, my mind just goes blank, my hands shake, my voice cracks, and I have even thought about calling in sick that day.
That sounds really exhausting to carry around for 2 weeks. When you imagine yourself up there, what's the worst thing you picture happening?
Then I'll forget everything, people will judge me, and I'll just freeze in front of everyone.
Okay, that's a very specific fear, losing control and being judged. That's actually helpful because it tells us exactly what we need to work on. Instead of trying fix anxiety in general, which is to figure, let's build something concrete you can actually do. Have you heard about the SMART approach, the goal setting?
I think yes, I have heard about forward goals, but not for this.
It works just as well here. Let's use it to intern. I'm anxious about the presentations into a clear action plan. Ready to try? Ready to try?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, first, specific. Instead of I want to not be anxious, let's name exactly what you want. What's one specific thing you want to be able to do?
I wanna be able to deliver my opening line without my voice shaking.
Good. That's specific. The second thing is measurable. How will you know you've success?
Maybe if I can practice it aloud. Potong ya. Oke. Maybe if I can practice it out loud 3 times without stopping or losing my place.
Perfect. That measurable. Next one is achievable. Is practicing 3 times a day realistic for you this week?
Yes, I think so. I have time in this evening.
Great. Okay, the fourth one is relevant. Why does this particular goal matter to you right now?
Because if I can nail the opening, I think the rest will feel less scary. It's the start that terrifies me most.
That makes complete sense. The opening sets the tone for how you feel through the workshop. And finally, the last is time bound. When will you complete this?
Absolutely by this Friday, before this weekend.
Okay, so let's say it back together. By Friday, I will practice my opening line out loud 3 times a day, so I can deliver it without my voice shaking. How that feel?
It actually feels manageable, smaller than I thought.
Okay, that's the goal of breaking it down. Anxiety often comes for the size of the whole pictures, not the actual step. Now, on the day you practice, If the nervous feeling come back, what one thing you can do in that moment?
Maybe I can take a slow breath before I start. I used to do that in school.
That's a great tool to bring back. Pair the breath with your practice sessions so by the time Friday comes, the breathing and the words feel connected like a habit, not a performance.
That helps. I like having something to actually do instead of just worrying.
Exactly. You've just set a clear, achievable goal for this week. Before we finish, on a scale of 1 to 10, how confident do you feel about following through?
I'd say a 7, maybe. That's higher than when I walk in.
That's a real progress. Let's check in next week and see how the practice went and build the next SMART goal from there.
Thank you. I actually feel like I have a plan now, not just fear.
That's exactly the point. One small step at a time. Okay, thank you for watching this counseling session simulation. I hope this simulation provides a better understanding of the counseling process and demonstrate how counseling can help individuals make thoughtful decisions and develop healthier coping strategies. Thank you for attention. Have a wonderful day.